So a lot of work has been done. These angles are actually all done and smooth and flush, as you can see. The boat is coming along. This panel has just gone on, so that's why you're seeing that extra glue that will get filed out, of course.
Put on your life vest, let's jump
completed yet.
anchor. There's a nice lady who I like to spank her.
You can kind of see the shape. It's beginning to take shape. Pretty big boat, actually. It's deceitfully large. If you think it's almost 8 feet wide, so
you'll be amazed when I come in your hair.
Pull up the anchor 'cause we're leaving dry land.
Plenty big.
With a tick in your hand. Anchors away and shiver me timbers. We like to fuck ladies with our 8-inch members.
Love me hookers who be a curvy. Ain't had lemons and limes so contracted the scurvy.
Drop the anchor, give that hoe a shout.
really all that's left is the very front. You can see the shape. It gets wide and then more narrow as we go aft, which is exactly how it's supposed to be.
That's the male Mariah Carey.